So our experience of working with Vivid has been great. We initially contacted them for a replacement system, and from our first interaction through to installation, the level of service and support has been excellent. MX Display are large format printers with a creative twist and have been in business for around 30 years. Our roots are in the photographic background, however today our talented team of over 30 people work incredibly hard to deliver exceptional bespoke design, print and installation services in the exhibition, events and interior sector. Having both the Zund and the new VeloBlade on site allows us to expand kiss cutting, knife cutting and routing on a range of different materials that we can offer our customers. During the installation process, Vivid worked proactively with RIP manufacturers and suppliers to ensure that the VeloBlade integrated with the workflow for our existing equipment. The level of service and support has been excellent.